Hello, this is Itzel. Okay, I wound some RG58 coaxial cable around the inductor and a part of the grenade, only leaving the last layers 5 and 6 of this grenade open. This is 50 ohm coaxial cable. It is shorted on the far side. I've soldered it together, and I have hooked up the new nano pulser. So instead of the 50 ohm resistor, I now have the coaxial cable directly hooked up, and I have the high voltage probe of the scope to measure what I see at the diode. 24 volts, and input will be from the function generator 15 kilohertz square wave. So the only thing I have to do now is to activate the output here again, and we can see the pulse. I had to tone down the vertical resolution because the pulse is much higher now, 1.8 kilovolt somehow, slightly more wider, and we can see the reflections coming back from the closed end, and again some other peaks. I will make a screenshot of this. This will keep fairly stable somehow. We still have some slightly less than 2 amps input at 24 volts. This is the spectrum analyzer spectrum. I'm not able to make a screenshot of this because the link is dropping, probably because of the noise. But I'm not sure if it's real what I see on the scope. I mean, okay, it's now dropping a little bit. Perhaps it's getting too hot. 1.5 kilovolt, but better stop it. But this looks very promising. I think we are running at 260 volt, which will be something like 227 volts on the collector. But it looks that it works better than with the 50 ohm resistor. That's the first test I've done today. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, same setup still. I just moved the probe to be on the grenade coil to see what kind of signal it will pick up from there. I have to activate. I slightly adjusted the scope already. So we can see that there is some noise, and we have a peak. Oh, sorry. It's not a nice signal. It's somewhat noisy, but there's definitely something coming through on the grenade, which also have the inductor still in between. So there is some inductance, capacitance transfer going on.